Good morning and welcome to the channel. It's time to wrap up 2025. Let's go! So as we wrap up 2025, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for you for joining me on this journey and building this community together. It's been a quality year so far, and I am mega happy I took the leap back in mid-June. Must have been mid-June, maybe beginning of July, to start this channel and start building this community with you guys and girls. It's not because of anything fancy that I've done, but it's basically because of the conversations that we've had and the things that we've done together that has made this year so special, and it's been a great start to this new channel, and I'm excited for what's next. Let's take a look back and let's see what we've got coming up in the new year. So when I started this channel, my vision was going to be some tutorials about photography and filmmaking, some camera basics, and it's already evolved into kit reviews, vlogs, some extra tutorials on how to use specific bits of filmmaking equipment. And one of the things I was most excited about for this year was joining the Army Motorsport media team and getting to some of the race events. But it has not come without its flaws. I have messed up a few times and overlooked what I thought you guys and girls might have liked, and some of these videos have absolutely flopped. But it is still early days, and you know, these things, all of a sudden they'll keep growing, and these videos sometimes they just pop off. So I'm looking forward to see what happens in the new year. But with all of its flaws from some of the stuff that I've done and this channel, you guys have kept me going and pointed out some things I should definitely improve on, including my intro. I really like my intro, but a few people have commented that it's a little bit long, and analytics have showed me that it's also a little bit too long. So I'm going to have to come up with something different for that. I may put it as an outro, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I would like to keep some of the information within that intro still within the video, so I might have to rework that. But most importantly, it's great to see in some of the comments from people that have had face-to-face that these videos have helped you improve your skills and help you either start photography, videography, filmmaking, or start your own YouTube channel. So that, to me, has been the cherry on the icing that is on top of the cake. So thank you very much for taking that leap. It's given me inspiration to keep going and giving you guys and girls value. So as I said, looking back on 2025, it's been there's been neither uber highs and uber lows, but I have learned a ton from all of you, and some real highlight for me has been seeing my RWB film kick off. I say kick off, it definitely didn't go viral, but it obviously kicked off, and I saw some great growth and some quality statistics from Japan. So welcome for you guys and girls to join my channel. Having an international community is mega, and it's just the start. As for 2026, I'm excited to keep this momentum going, and based on what you guys and girls have told me in the comments, more kit reviews will be coming. I will be diving deeper into tutorials. I'd love to do some collabs with you guys and girls. And for next year, I am excited to try and get some clients. Not try and get some clients, I'll definitely get some clients, some car photography and videography when my business takes its leap into the new year and I start advertising to do some work. So I'm going to do some vlogs and stuff like that, get some POV videos of you coming along, see how I work, see what sort of cars, bikes, people we've got out here in the UK. And most importantly, what I'd like to improve on next year is go into more car events, get into some of the car venues, get into some of the car shows, get into some car meets. We're just gonna go full hog and see what we can do. This year has been the start of my channel and I'm really finding my feet, to be honest, to see what happens, how I can manage this around my full-time career and family life. I have many kids and I have a busy job, so having this channel on the side has been mega, but it hasn't been without its challenges from timekeeping, videoing, editing, all that good stuff. So time is currency, but next year I'm going to go full on and put everything I can into this channel to help you guys and girls in your journey as well as mine. So my call to action for you is to let me know what you want to see from this channel. Any ideas I'm happy with. I love a good prompt and my brain will just go wild, so I'm happy for you to suggest anything car related, motorbike related, filmmaking, photography, tutorials, kit reviews, you name it. Comment below. Let's keep this community going and growing. I've now made 34 videos and 107 of you lovely lot have subscribed to me, so please share this, like this, hit the bell icon to get the notifications of when I'm going to upload. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. I don't do sentimental stuff, but thank you, like I said, from the bottom of my heart for 2025. It has been awesome. Here's to more good times in 2026. Happy holidays, take care, and I shall catch you in the next one.